Hi, this is the Better Me 2011, and today I'm doing my fourth body shot, and I'm also giving you my review of the Supreme 90 Day. So let's start with the body shot. This is my front, side, back, other side, and front again. So I've been on the Supreme 90 Day for 1 month, and in that month I've lost 8 or 9 pounds, around 8 or 9 pounds, and I'm pleased with that. The thing I am ecstatic about is I'm getting muscle. I have muscles in my arms, I have definition in my legs, my stomach has flattened out a lot. So if you're looking for something to help you tone up and define your body, I suggest Supreme 90 Day. The workouts, some of the workouts are a little bit tougher than some, and they take practice, which is a good thing. I've been the first week or two on it, I had sore muscles each and every workout. But that's a good thing, as you know the DVD is working. So, yeah, I love Supreme 90. I'm not bored with it, and I am ecstatic about it. Yeah, I'm always feeling my arms now, because when I feel them now, I feel the muscle. I don't feel the slab, I feel muscle. My legs also, especially in this area, I feel a lot of muscle. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that and go get my baby. And y'all have a good day. Bye.